Antonio in custody ହେଲା serves to make more vivid the audience impression of Antonio's predicament. Okay, so more vivid कर दूची, more live कर दूची, हाँ? अच्छा, Antonio tries to placate, huh? Persuade, huh? Placate Shylock so that the Jew may change his attitude, huh? But Shylock, ଆଜ୍ଞା ଓହୋ ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଁ ଖରାପ ହେଇଯିବଣି but the Shylock is delighted at seeing his enemy helpless and insists that ହେଲା he wants nothing less than the bond से तार bond ही दरकार ହେଲା bonds अनुसार से करिवो Antonio can do nothing except to pray for the arrival of Bassanio to bid him a last farewell ତେଣୁ ସେ ତାକୁ କହୁଛି ସେ ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିଓ କିଛି କରିପାରୁନି ଖାଲି ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟ କରୁଛି ୟାକୁ କାହାକୁ ବାସାନିଓକୁ ଟୁ ବିଡ୍ ଫେୟାରୱେଲ୍ ହେଲା ବିଦାୟ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ବିଦାୟ ନବ ତେଣୁ ସେ ମରିଯିବ ହେଲା ସୋ ସିନ୍ 3 ଭେନିସ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ ସାଇଲକ୍ ସାଲାରିନୋ ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିଓ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଗାଉଲର ହେଲା ଏମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସାଇଲକ୍ କହୁଛି ଗାଉଲର ଟୁ look to him, tell not me of mercy. This is the fool that lent out money gratis. Gratis माने free of interest से money दोतला. Gawler, look to him. Okay, look to him माने guard him closely. Look to him. अच्छा. Antonio साइलो को या कहला Antonio कहला hear me yet. Hear me yet. Good Shylock. Shylock कहूँ I will have my bond. Speak not against my bond. मो bond को छाड़ के आओ जहाँ कहूँ I have sworn an oath. मो गोटे शपथ नहीं that I will have my bond. मो bond जहाँ ले नेबी बुझेला thou callest me dog callest me dog तू मते dog डाकुथिलु before thou hadst a cause अच्छा माने when you had no reason to do so before thou hadst a cause and से कुछ you callest me dog before thou hadst a cause माने before माने एठी नथिला तोर कज न थाइकरी तो मते डॉग डाकथुलु बट सिंस आई एम ए डॉग beware my fangs ओके सो मोरो टीथ बुझिपारछ कि नहीं तेणु मोरो टीथ को तू फैंक्स टीथ को तू beware माने सावधान रह हैला beware the duke shall grant me justice ड्यूक तो जस्टिस दब ना I do wonder thou naughty Gawler you naughty Gawler that thou art so fond thou art so fond माने you are so foolish to come abroad with him as at his request okay माने से कहूची thou naughty Gawler that thou art so fond, so foolish to come abroad with him at his request. तामाने out of the prison, abroad, abroad है तो होजी कौन abroad out of the prison, to bring him outside the jail at his request. So तामाने ड्यूक रो कहाँ request रे माने ड्यूक रिक्वेस्ट ना या रिक्वेस्ट एंटोनियो रिक्वेस्ट है तो ताको बाहर के आनी छो एंटोनियो आई प्रे दी हियर मी स्पीक से कहूची एंटोनियो मो कथा टी सुन Dialogue. I will have my bond. I will not hear you thee speak. I will have my bond, and therefore speak no more. I will not be made a soft and dull-eyed fool. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ soft and dull-eyed fool ରେ କେବେ convert ହେବିନି. Okay, stupid. I will not be made. To shake the head, ହେଲା, relent and sigh and yield, ହେଲା, ତାମାନେ ମୁଁ yield surrender କରିବିନି, ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ବସିବିନି, relent, ବୁଝିପାରିନାନି, to shake the head, ମୁଣ୍ଡ ହଲେଇବିନି, and sigh, ବୁଝିପାରିଛ ନାଇଁ, so pity ମୁଁ relent ମାନେ so pity ଦେଖେଇବିନି, dull eyed, stupid ହେବିନି, ହେଲା, ଗଲା to Christian intercessors, Christian intercessor, Christian pleaders, ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ leaders ତାଙ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଆଗରେ ମୁଁ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ନଇଁବନି. Follow not, ତୁ ମୋତେ ବୁଝୁଛୁ ନା ନାଇଁ, do you follow me or not, ହେଲା, I will have no speaking, ମୁଁ ତୋ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହେବିନି, I will have my bond, ହେଲା, ମୋର ବଣ୍ଡ ଅନୁସାରେ କରିବି କାମ. ସାଲାରିନ କହୁଛି it is the most impenetrable core. Okay, impenetrable ମାନେ hard hearted dog, core ମାନେ dog, ହେଲା, so it is the more impenetrable, ତାମାନେ penetrate କରିହେବନି, impenetrable dog ମାନେ ତାକୁ ତରଳେଇ ହେବନି, ତାକୁ ବୁଝେଇ ହେବନି, impenetrable dog that ever kept with men, ମାନେ ଦୁନିଆରେ ଅଛି, ହେଲା, ever living with men, living among the men, ହେଲା, Antonio, let him alone, ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅ, let him alone, then forget about him. I will follow him no more with bootless prayers, ହେଲା, no more with bootless prayers, ହେଲା, ତାମାନେ କହୁଛି bootless, useless prayers, ମୁଁ ଆଉ ତାକୁ କିଛି ଏମିତି ଆଉ ତାକୁ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରିବିନି, ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବିନି, ମୋ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ଼ା ୟୁଜଲେସ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ହେଲା. He seeks my life, his reason well I know, ସେ ତାର ସେ ଯୋଉ ରିଜିନ୍ ଦେଖୁଛି ମୁଁ ଭଲକି ଜାଣିଛି, ସେ ମୋତେ ଗ୍ରଜ ରଖିଛି. I often delivered from his forfeitures, I often delivered from his forfeitures, penalties for non-payment, I often rescued from his forfeitures, ହେଲା, ତେଣୁ ତାର ଆଚ୍ଛା ନାଇଁ he seeks my life, his reason well I know, I often delivered from his forfeitures, many that have at times made moan to me, ବଞ୍ଚେଇଛି, I often delivered, ହେଲା, ମୁଁ rescued କରିଛି, from his forfeitures, କାହାକୁ କରିଛି, many, ବହୁତ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ବଞ୍ଚେଇଛି ତା forfeiture, that have at times made moan to me, ମୋତେ କାନ୍ଦିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉମାନେ, ଅପିଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ, ମୋତେ those who have moaned to me, therefore he hates me, ତେଣୁ ସେ ମୋତେ hate କରୁଛି. Salarino କହିଲା I am sure the Duke will never grant this forfeiture to hold. Okay, ତ ତେଣୁ ସେ କହିଲା Duke, ହେଲା, cannot refuse to let the law take its course. ତାମାନେ କହିଲା I am sure the Duke will never grant this forfeiture to hold, never grant this forfeiture, ତାମାନେ ସେ ବଦଲା ନବ, Duke ବି, Duke cannot refuse to let the law take its course, ହେଲା, ତେଣୁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ, ତେଣୁ Duke କିଛି କରିପାରିବନି ବୋଲି କହୁଛି, Antonio, the Duke cannot deny the course of law. Right? Huh? For the commodity that strangers have with us in Venice, if it be denied, ତାମାନେ ସେ କହୁଛି commodity ମାନେ rights, which foreigners have among us in Venice cannot be refused. If they are refused, it will be an accusation against Venetian justice, since the trade and prosperity of the city depends on international trade. The rights which the foreigners have among us in Venice cannot be refused. ତେଣୁ ସେ ଫରେନର ହେଲେ ବି କିଏ ହଁ ହେଲେ ବି ତା କଥାଟା ରହିବ. For the commodity that strangers have with us in Venice, ସେ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆମର ବି ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କର ବି ଅଛି. If it be denied, will much impeach, ହେଲା impeach ମାନେ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିବ, impeach the justice of the state, since that the trade and profit of the city consistent of all nations ହେଲା ଏ ଯୋଉ trade and profit consists of all nation international, therefore go ହେଲା these griefs and losses have so bettered me, okay, so bettered me ମାନେ ମତେ ଏତେ କମେଇ ଦେଲାଣି, okay, so bettered me ମାନେ made me lose so much weight that I shall hardly spare a pound of flesh. Okay, ମୋର ଆଉ weight ହିଁ ନାହିଁ ହେଲା, I will spare a pound of flesh. Okay, ମୁଁ ସ୍ପେୟାର କରିପାରିବିନି, ମୋ ଦେହରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗଲେ ବି ମୋର କ'ଣ ହେଇଯିବ. Tomorrow to my bloody creditor, well Gowler on, pray God Bassanio come to see me pay his debt, and then I care not. ତାହେଲେ କହୁଛି okay, pray God that Bassanio may come to see me discharge his debt, and then I care for nothing else. ହେଲା ଓ ସେଇଟା ଅପଟିମିଷ୍ଟିକ ହେଇଛି. ଆଚ୍ଛା, tomorrow to my bloody creditor, ହେଲା well Gowler on, pray God Bassanio come to see me pay his debt, ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ କାଲି ଯେମିତି ଦେବି, and then I care not, ତାପରେ ଥରେ ଦେଇଦେଲା ପରେ ମୋର ଆଉ କରିବାର କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ହେଲା ମୋର କିଛି ଆଉ ଭାବିବାର ନାହିଁ. ମାନେ ସେଇଟା ଅପଟିମିଷ୍ଟିକ ହେଇଛି, ଭାବୁଛି ସେ ବାସାନିଆ ଆସିଲେ ସେ ଦେଇଦବ ତାର ପଇସା, ହେଲା.